Hello everyone, Namaskar. My name is Prashant Nakotnekar and I am representing my company, that is KYB Conmat. I work here as a sales engineer and today I'll be presenting you about one of our product, that is mobile concrete batching plant. So what is mobile concrete batching plant and how does it give an edge to KYB Conmat in the market? Well, first of all, I would like to share you the variants of mobile concrete batching plant we sell into the market. First is a 20 cubic meter batching plant, another is 25 cubic meter batching plant, and the last with a higher capacity is 30 cubic meter batching plant. This plant is not only can replace the RMC setup of a bigger stationary concrete batching plant, but it can also be handy at places where you cannot set up a stationary concrete batching plant. As you can see behind me, a mobile concrete batching plant fitted on a single chassis. Yeah, you can see the bins, you can see the mixture, everything on the single chassis, which enables you to transport the whole plant on a single trailer, which also saves your transportation cost. Apart from being a single chassis plant, it also has a twin shaft mixture. As you know, twin shaft mixture is the latest technology in concrete mixing. Yeah, and it gives you 85% homogeneity in just 15 seconds. That is one of the USP we have. Now, apart from giving you the twin shaft mixture, we also give you an inline bin. Inline bin, the 3 set of bin with a capacity of 15 cubic meter, which will definitely have a long run of 1 hour, and then you need to load it. For mobile concrete batching plant, you also don't need to make a ramp which is necessary for the higher capacity plants to load your bins. Yeah, but you do not need to make a ramp for this because the height of the feeding itself is only 10 feet, which any JCB can do it, I believe. And apart from that, we are giving you inline bins, the storage of 3 bins, and in the last bin, if you need a 4th bin, you can have a compartment section as well. It also has wide range of applications, as I said. Well, it can be used by a builder to build a building in an urban area or a crowded area. It can be used by a contractor who's building a canal, who's having a canal or a road project. I have sold it to a guy who was a contractor for a road project as well. So even though the output is not much, but portability is. So you can carry the plant as per your convenience and you can get the concrete out as per your convenience. So it is a wide segment to cover, not only builders and contractors, but the people or the larger corporates looking for the projects which does not have that mass of the concrete. They can also go for this plant. It being a single chassis plant, well, it can be towed by a tractor as well. With a pair of wheel and an axle, it is quite possible to carry your plant wherever you need to. We all already thank our all customers to visit our virtual exhibition. I hope the information I shared was useful to you. Thank you.